while you are speaking to me, you are looking somewhere else. You are not looking at me. I have heard that people who live in Bihar, they all celebrate Chhat Puja. People say that government employees don't do much work. So is it true? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you now. Your name is Roshan Kumar?
Yes, ma'am. No, actually, ma'am, my name is Anuj Kumar, but my child name is Roshan Kumar.
Okay, this is your
Nephew.
child's account.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are Mr. Anuj.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how are you
Yes,
doing?
ma'am. Just like ma'am, I am serving with central government, like Ministry of Defense in New Delhi.
Okay, how are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay,
And you, ma'am?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. Anuj, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. This is my great. My name is Anuj Kumar. I am 29 year old. I have married. I have two children and one son and one daughter. And I presently living in New Delhi, but I belong to their district Bihar. And I have done graduate in BA, like history honors. And if I talk about my hobby is watching videos like something, and that's why I want to speaking fluency English. That's why I'm connected with you.
Okay. You want to
That's why,
speak English fluently. So it's great. You have come from
ma'am.
Bihar and now you are living in
Yeah, ma'am. Delhi, ma'am.
Delhi. Okay. So why did you leave Bihar? For your job?
Yes, ma'am. Presently, I serving with Ministry of Defense in New Delhi.
Okay, okay. Very good. So your job is good. So why do you want to improve your
Yes,
English?
ma'am. Actually, ma'am, my hobbies and my dreams is speaking English
Okay.
like that.
Mhm. Okay. So do you speak English at
But
your
I think
workplace?
it seems it is very hard, but I am trying continue for improving English.
Okay. You want to improve your English and you think that it is very difficult. But you know, if you decide
Yeah.
that you have to learn English, then it will not remain difficult for you. So you will have to work hard at it, but nothing is difficult if you make up your mind that you have to excel at it. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
how are you doing English speaking practice?
Just like I reading a newspaper daily and watching something videos like web series in YouTube
Okay. So
and something I prepare the grammatical.
do you speak English at your workplace also?
But
Okay. So everyone speaks English at your
sometimes,
workplace.
workplace like sometimes they use in English, but mostly use in Hindi language.
Okay, mostly you speak in Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. So you want to become fluent in English. How different it is from living in Bihar? I mean, are you loving your life in Delhi or you loved it in Bihar?
Okay, ma'am. Delhi is last 3 years living in Delhi, and we can compare with Delhi and Bihar. Delhi is a very population area and very congested area,
Mhm.
and we can see the education line. Education line is very waste in Delhi, according to Bihar, and there are a lot of us a school college available in Delhi for the education like all IAS, IPS examinations,
Okay.
and there are also a lot of medical science college available in Delhi.
Mhm.
That's why it seems it is a very good places, but sometimes lockdowns there are looking a lot of time in Delhi, like pollution increase that times in Delhi.
Okay. So when you speak English, you think that you don't speak English with confidence, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Like
So right now, while you are speaking to me, you are looking somewhere else. You are not looking at me. You are talking to me, but you are looking somewhere
yes, ma'am.
else.
Sometimes ma'am, it's difficulty with me.
Okay, sometimes you get nervous, then you do this. Are you feeling nervous?
No, nervous, no feeling. I am free that time, and I will feel prepared with speaking with you.
Mhm. Okay, but your phone is moving again and again. Keep your phone at one place. Don't move your phone. फोन आपका बार बार हिल रहा है, उसको एक जगह पर रख दो.
Right now, ma'am, at Children Park. That's why.
Okay, you are in children's park. Okay, you have come here with your children, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your wife has also come here.
No, ma'am. Only child.
Okay, only children.
Sons available in.
So you came here with your children. Your
Yes.
children are playing and you are talking to me, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So you take care of your children. You take them to the park, right?
Yes, ma'am. Just coming in the Children Park. Like you are getting time 3:15, but I decided I came back at 3:15.
Okay, okay. So do you teach your children also?
No, ma'am. They're just like 3 years old. Ma'am.
What? Your
My
children?
child son is 3 years old. 3
Okay.
years old.
Okay, your son doesn't go to school right now.
No, that's it.
Okay. And what does your wife do?
My wife is a housewife.
Your wife is a homemaker.
Housewife, ma'am.
Your wife is a homemaker. Don't say housewife. She is a homemaker. So do your children speak English?
Daughter speak English, but son not speak. Without he did not go to
Okay,
school.
okay. Are you looking for another job or you're happy in this job?
Yes, ma'am. I am looking for another jobs like improvement in the departments, like
Okay.
somewhere else, like.
After improving your English, you will look for another job, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you will have to give interview in English. That is why you want to improve your English.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Interview in English, only English language for 5 days.
Okay, Anuj, do you practice English on apps also? There are so many apps for spoken English. Are you using any of them?
No, ma'am. I am not using it.
Okay, you are not using any app. So how do you practice speaking?
Just like I trying to, ma'am. I am also telling you like reading newspapers
No, 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 no.
and
That is
watching.
reading newspaper. I am saying speaking practice. How do you give yourself
Okay.
speaking practice?
Speaking from in front of mirrors.
Okay, you speak in front of the mirror and you have spoken to other YouTubers also?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is this your
I just first time speaking with you.
Oh, very good, very good. This is your first English conversation over a video call.
Yes.
That's great.
Yes,
I mean,
ma'am.
it's great. And in the first go, everyone feels nervous, and you are still speaking well. So it's amazing. Should I give you a speaking activity?
Giving the activity, ma'am, just like sorry, ma'am, please.
I will give you a small activity. Okay? You tell me why do you love Bihar, your native place? You have to tell me why you love
Yes.
Bihar, which is your native place.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, ma'am, Bihar is a good states like there are a lot of facility available in our villages and home districts, like fresh vegetables and fresh dry fruits, and there are a lot of people are communicative and they are also helping the need people,
Mhm.
and pollution is a very low, like there is a good health in the Bihar, and Bihar education is the best that time. There are a lot of colleges established in Bihar, just like 2019, yeah, 18 Central University established in Bihar in my district, like South Central University in Bodh Gaya. It is the very most important for the future students.
Okay.
And if I talk about the health regarding, and there are a lot of physicians, doctors available in my districts.
Okay.
Day
Bihar
by
has-
day improving.
Okay, okay. So facilities in Bihar are improving day by day, and there are so many educated people
Day
here,
by day.
and you love it. Okay. So why did you
Yes.
leave Bihar? If you get a good job in
Yes,
Bihar,
yes.
will you go and shift there? If you get a good job in Bihar, will you go there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I instantly shifted in Bihar.
Okay. So I have heard that people who live in Bihar, they celebrate
Without,
Chhat.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have heard that people who live in Bihar, they all celebrate Chhat Puja. Do you celebrate it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just like this year, I celebrated with by Dharmpat.
Okay, so you went to the village to celebrate it?
Yes, ma'am. Just like in the November month, I went to villages. And
So,
just I come this month.
okay. So, I mean, how do you celebrate Chhat Puja?
Chhat Puja, ma'am, like Surya Aradhana, like prayers,
Okay.
and evening and morning.
Mhm.
Like, ma'am, firstly, 1 day without jals and any foods
Mhm.
fasting.
Okay.
Like 2 days, almost 2 days fasting in the Chhat Puja.
Mhm. Okay. So you celebrate it every time in Bihar. You go to Bihar every year?
Yes, ma'am. Every year, like 2 times. Firstly, like holy festivals, and secondly, back to them
Chhat
Deepavali and
Puja.
Chhat Puja.
When does Chhat Puja fall? Is it after Diwali?
Yes, ma'am. After Diwali, after 6 days, Diwali like after 6 days.
Okay, it's 6 days after Diwali. Okay. Is it the biggest festival
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Bihar?
Yes, ma'am. The Chhat Puja is the very biggest festival in Bihar, and that time, apart from India, is also celebrated them like Nepal and China and some. There are a lot of countries
Okay.
celebrate the Chhat
So
Puja.
Chhat Puja is celebrated in many countries. Okay. So
Yes,
it is the
ma'am.
biggest festival. Do you mean to
Like,
say? Yeah, yeah. Please go on.
like ma'am, जैसे कि जैसे South Indians are also celebrate on
Okay.
that time.
South Indians also celebrate Chhat Puja?
Yes, sir. Some
Some
many
of them.
South Indian also celebrate.
Okay,
Some
okay.
of them.
Some of them celebrate it. So is it bigger than Diwali? Is it a bigger festival than Diwali in Bihar?
Yes, ma'am. Biggest
Okay.
festival.
Mhm. Okay. So you take leave and visit your village on Chhat Puja.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
On Chhat Puja.
And you take your
On
and on Holi.
yes, ma'am. Holy.
Okay. So
And if I need in midday, and then I went to yeah.
okay. So your wife and children also go with you?
Yes, ma'am. Along with family.
Okay. Is Chhat Puja celebrated in Delhi?
Delhi is also festival celebrated in a lot of people who lives in Delhi, but I decided to celebrate in native villages.
Okay. Okay. So you mean to say some people
My
celebrate it
wife
in
is
Delhi also, but you decided to go to Bihar.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Nearby my quarters also a lot of family members are living in Delhi,
Mhm. Okay.
but I decided in Bihar.
Okay. So when did you get married?
I get married in 2018.
Okay, you got married in 2018. So was it an arranged marriage?
Yes, ma'am. Arranged marriage.
Okay. So you came here after your marriage.
Yes, ma'am. After marriage.
Okay. Okay. Your parents are alone in Bihar?
Yes, ma'am. My mother is no more. My father is living village with brothers and
Okay. So your brothers
wife.
live with your parents.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Tell me, are there good schools in Bihar?
Schools
Yeah. Are there good schools and colleges in Bihar?
are there schools like
Are there good schools and colleges in Bihar?
yes, ma'am. Like just like open in the South Central University in Bihar, like firstly in my district, South Central University in Bodh Gaya.
Mhm.
And there are a lot of language studies in that in the
Okay.
city.
So what is the native language?
Native language like ma'am, Bhojpuri and Hindi also.
Okay. So yeah, do you want to ask any questions?
Yes, ma'am. What's your good name, ma'am?
My name is Meenu Puri.
Where are you from, ma'am?
I am from Delhi.
Delhi, ma'am. Which
Yes.
location?
Earlier I used to live in Delhi. Now I live in Noida. So it's very close to Delhi. I live in Noida, Sector
Okay.
93.
Okay, ma'am. Very nice, ma'am. I just visit in last week in sector 62.
Okay. Okay. So you
Noida.
keep visiting Noida.
Sector 62. Last Saturday.
Okay. Where is your office?
My office is my Delhi RK Puram, Ramakrishnapuram.
Okay. 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 So how do you go to your office?
I go to office through scooty.
Okay. You go to office by scooty. Okay. Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
And
I have a scooty and
okay. So
there
is
are a
it
lot of traffic signal in Delhi, but I decide the scooty is that is on time and my time.
Mhm. So how long does it take to go by scooty?
10 to 50 minutes.
Okay, so it's very close. That means you live near
Yes,
RK Puram. You live near RK Puram, right?
yes, 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 ma'am. RK Puram like one to total 12 sector, I think in RK Puram. So that is a very long area, but
Okay. So what are your office timings?
office timing, ma'am, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Okay. Is it a government job?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that means you don't have to work much. You just go there and
Yes,
just
ma'am.
be present and take the salary without doing much work, because people say that government employees don't do much work. So is it true? Government employees don't do
Pardon,
much
please?
work. Is it true?
No, I think, ma'am, government job is a safe and secure job, for the futures and family also.
But do you have to work hard in this job?
Work hard to know, I know the work and that's why no hard. And suppose you have no experience
Mhm.
for the workplaces, and what do you do? Then it is difficult for the some.
Mhm. Okay. So government employees get a lot of holidays also, no?
Lot of holidays and lot of facility also, man. Like
Yeah.
CA allowances and accommodation. There are a lot of facilities, and first of all, is a secure job,
Okay. So you
but
have got,
don't freedom, but don't freedom in the government job.
okay, you have got free accommodation from government.
Both facility are available, and you can withdraw accommodation allowances. You can do it,
Mhm.
and then you want to the occupy the accommodation. You can do it also
Okay.
as per as you want.
So you are enjoying so many facilities given by the government. And what is the designation?
My designation, ma'am, clerk.
Clerk. Okay. In Ministry
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Defense.
Defense.
Okay. In Ministry of Defense. Okay. So you are getting the accommodation, and what else are you getting, which is free of cost?
Yes, ma'am. Free of cost.
What other things you are getting free of cost?
What other thing free of cost? Like, ma'am, as per instruction and policy given in the initial employment notification.
Hmm.
That's why getting
Okay. No, no, I'm saying रहने के अलावा और क्या क्या मिल रहा है आपको?
just like, ma'am, there are all facility available in
Okay. They give you free lunch also?
free lunch. So no, ma'am, just like you want to withdraw ration allowances also.
Okay. So if you take lunch, then they will deduct your salary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So that means lunch is not free. Let's say you want to go to the village and you take 7 days leave. So will they deduct the salary?
No, salary is ongoing, ma'am.
They will not
Any
deduct.
deduction, no,
They will
ma'am.
not deduct, no?
No, it will be not deducted on like it is a policy mentioned in the government like 1 year like 60 days, 70, 90 days, as per the departments are given
Okay, okay.
per
So
year.
are your parents happy that you got this job?
Yes, ma'am, happy, ma'am.
Okay. Have they ever visited you in Delhi?
Like, ma'am, just I visited in the Akshardham temples just last week.
No, no. Have your parents visited you here?
Yes, ma'am, just last week. Last week.
Okay, okay. Your parents came
My
here
parents,
last week.
we just right now, level in Delhi.
So your parents came here last week and they saw Akshardham temple.
Yes, ma'am. Right now, level in Delhi.
Okay, okay. Right now they are living in Delhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They are living with you right now.
Yes, नहीं अभी just I am so just available in the children parks and they rest at the quarter.
Okay, okay. So they are at your government quarter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So for how many days they are going to stay in Delhi?
How many?
Days. For how many days will they stay in Delhi?
Last 3 years, ma'am.
नहीं नहीं वो लोग कितने दिन रुकेंगे आपके पेरेंट्स?
Okay, ma'am. Unlimited days. No
हाँ?
any foundation. Unlimited days.
Okay, okay.
I think.
Okay, they can stay here as long as they want. Okay, okay. Okay, it's great. And you are working on your English. That's amazing. And it was your first conversation. So tell me, how did you enjoy your conversation? Did you like it?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yeah. I also
I am
enjoyed
very
it a
happy.
lot.
With, I am very happy with connecting with you, and I am waiting a lot of if days, a few days.
Okay, okay. So
But time is a very important, and I have not managed the time.
Mhm. Okay. So you were not able to manage time. That is why we could not connect. But we were thinking of connecting for a long time.
Connecting.
Okay. It's great
Yes,
that
ma'am.
we finally
I am
connected.
I am free Saturday and Sunday, and I think you have no time.
Yeah,
Saturday and
actually,
Sunday,
it's
that's why.
difficult for me to connect on weekends. I, do English conversation sessions.
Saturday. If you agree on Saturday, ma'am.
No, I do English sessions on weekdays, not weekends.
Okay.
Okay. So we can connect again after a month. You can approach me after 1 month and we can have another free session, right?
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
महीने बाद आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिए. We can have one more session. Okay. So
Yes,
best
ma'am.
of luck, Anuj. Keep practicing. And it was so lovely connecting with you. Okay then. Bye bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.